Hey guys, this is A-Capon here. I know I haven't made a video in some time now, but I just thought I would show you what I have ordered. It's just a little upgrade for the beast. I got some faster RAM. It's new RAM, and thought I'd let you guys check it out as well. Here we go. So it's a 16 gigabyte kit. So same as what's already in there, but it's a faster timings. So these are the Trident X RAM sticks. It's 4 gig each on each stick. They are fairly new, they've just come out kind of. And these run at 2400 megahertz overclocked. The timings are 10, 12, 12, 31. Runs at slightly higher voltage than my previous RAM at 1.5. These run at 1.65. But these are actually enhanced for Z77 platform motherboards, as you can see there. So I'm just going to undo the packaging here and show you the goodies. So here we have a little G.Skill sticker. I'll just give you a close up of that. And here we have the RAM. So if I just take out one stick, 1 second. My awesome filming skills. So here we go, we've got the heat spreaders on the side. They're quite big heat spreaders, they're quite high profile memory sticks. One thing I do like about this is that the PCB is actually painted black, not green. So it goes well with the theme I've got going on inside, the black and red. And obviously the sticks is black and red theme as well, so I'm looking to hook these up inside and show you what they look like. One thing I haven't shown you guys, by the way, is I changed the fluid inside the beast here. I actually changed it to Mayhem's dye, but it was already Mayhem's, but it was the Aurora. But because of the pump and reservoir, it didn't actually keep the effect. You'll know what I mean if you Google it. So I changed it to a matte red, and I'm actually quite happy with it. It's given me sort of 2 degrees or 2-3 degrees better performance as well, so I'm quite pleased with that. Please rate, comment, subscribe. I will try and think of something else to post on YouTube, because it's getting to that point now where obviously I've done the build and I'm going to be using this for quite a while until something crazy comes out, maybe the new graphics cards, or I don't know, whatever Intel seem to think they want to do, or maybe AMD if they ever get as good and competitive as Intel. But there we go. Like I said, please rate, comment, subscribe, check out my other videos if you haven't already, and have a good day.